You may have run into a Word document where if you open it and try to edit the content, you're not able to. So here I've got some text boxes that people can insert text into, but I cannot actually edit the content of this document. And that's because this is a protected document. So if I can go to File and Info, and I'll see that this has restricted editing. And the way to turn that off would be to just save a new copy of this file and go to More Options, go down to Tools here, General Options, and Unprotect Document. However, I do not know the password, so let me see if it's 123456. It is not, so I have no idea what this password is. I need a different way to unlock or unprotect this document. So some people may say you got to download a program. There are programs that are built for this, but there is a way to do that without having to download anything. And you just need to know that Word documents or Microsoft documents, Microsoft Office documents in general, are just glorified zip files. So they're a very structured system of files that when zipped together, they appear as this docx file. So what we need to do is we need to convert this document into a zip file. So first I'm going to turn on a few things in my view here. First I'm going to go to the file extension. So there's a ton of things you can turn on here, but I'm going to turn on file extension, and now we can see this column has appeared. It's showing that this thing is a docx file. So some tutorials on earlier versions of Windows, I'm on Windows 10, say, just come here and turn this to a zip file. But as you'll see, that does not actually change the file extension. So let me get rid of that. I need to turn one more thing on, and that's simply up here in View, and then File Name Extensions here. I'm just going to click that, and now we see that the actual file extension has turned on in the actual name of the file. And this is what we need to rename. So I'm going to turn this to a zip file. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes, I am. I probably should have made a new copy of that file in case I mess something up, but I didn't, so let's carry on. Let me extract this zip file. I'm going to extract it into this same folder. There it is, and so we see that this document is actually just this collection of XML files in the very specific document structure. And if I go to Word and I go to Settings, this is where that information on what's protected is stored. But I know that if I just go ahead and delete this XML settings.xml file entirely, the next time this document opens, it's going to rebuild that file based on the defaults. And it's going to essentially do away with the protection that was applied previously. So I'm going to go back to this view where we see the Word and DocProps files, and this collection of files is what I'm going to need to compress. I'll call this newdoc.zip. And just for my own organization, I'm going to cut and paste this file up into this upper level directory here. And I'm going to do that thing I did before where I'm just renaming the extension. I'll rename it docx. Yes, I'm sure that I want to change it. And let's open it. So now it's rebuilding the settings, and now we can edit this document. That's all there is to it. Hope this was helpful. Thanks.